Oh, this isn't green board. Taking this out of the shower. That's not good there. Only nails too. One thing I can't stand. I hate nails. Hate nails. So
nails is more like for the roof, right?
Yes. Use nails because gravity is going down. Use nails when you're going down. If you're coming out or up, nails will fall down. Don't use nails. Gypsum board. More just drywall.
Homes on homes.
Wolf on homes.
Uh-huh. You should have one of those little white masks covering your nose and your mouth.
That's, yeah. That looks good.
Some of this shit might be asbestos.
No, this isn't asbestos.
Look, I don't even know what asbestos look like. That's how people get the wrong word.
Yeah, right.
And then they got way downtown. We said asbestos in here.
Got asbestos in the house and shit, right?
We feeding it to the kids, letting them breathe it.
Taking showers and bathing in it.
Because that's how the newspaper have it.
Called telephone. That game back in the day? Alright. Alright, I'm going to have you put that down. I'm going to have you start taking these out now.
Alright.
Got your gloves on.